Ready, start. Mr. Raj Malhotra, learned senior counsel, appearing on behalf of the appellant, would submit that the division bench of the High Court committed a serious error in passing the impugned judgment in so far as it failed to take into consideration the importance of holding a physical test before preparation of the select list full stop. The learned counsel urged that arbitrary, arbitrariness on the part of the selection committee is apparent from the fact that the order of holding tests was pushed to the background full stop. It was furthermore submitted that the division bench of the High Court did not assign sufficient and cogent reasons for interfering with the well considered judgment of the learned single judge and proceeded to modify the same without any application of mind full stop. Our attention was moreover drawn to the fact that the purported reasons for modification which were enumerated in paragraph 12 of the impugned judgment really contained the statement of facts and thus the same is wholly unsustainable full stop para. Mr. P.K. Goswami, learned senior counsel appearing on behalf of the private respondents, on the other hand, would contend that the appellant in the facts and circumstances of this case must be held to be stopped and precluded from raising any contention with regard to the validity or otherwise of the procedure for selection adopted by the selection committee as he had participated in the selection process without any demur whatsoever full stop. It is stated that pursuant thereto and in furtherance thereof only the said respondent had been appointed and had been working since then full stop para. Our attention was furthermore drawn to the fact that against the order of the learned single judge a writ appeal had been filed by him which is pending full stop. Undisputably in the advertisement the candidates were required not only to qualify in the written test but also the physical ability test full stop. A plan reading of the advertisement clearly goes to show that the interview was to be conducted only after holding of the said two tests full stop in tune with the said requirements only. The candidates were asked to appear in the written test on 26/4/1998 and in the physical test on 28/4/1998 full stop. There cannot however be any doubt whatsoever that a selection committee in a given situation may lay down a procedure for the purpose of shortlisting the candidates, but that does not mean that so for the said purpose the order of holding a requisite test would be changed full stop para. In terms of a decision which was taken on 7/4/1999, the selection committee thought to take interview prior to holding of the physical ability test full stop. Physical ability test, keeping in view the nature of the job required to be performed by the candidates, was an extremely important one full stop. Passing in the physical ability test in a sine qua non for selection of the candidates in the post of sub-inspector of police full stop. It was indeed a competitive test and the merit list should have been prepared not only on the basis of written test and interview but also the physical ability test full stop para. Sorry, full